Module 2, Guiding Principles for Responsible AI Use. In Module 1, we explored what generative AI is and why it matters for schools. Now let's focus on how to use it wisely. Here are some guiding principles. AI is a partner, not a replacement. It can support brainstorming, summarizing, or exploring different perspectives, but human judgment must always lead. Every AI output should be treated as a draft. Verification and refinement are essential. Bias is another factor. AI reflects the biases in its training data. If left unchecked, these biases can slip into lesson content or examples. Our role as educators is to spot and address them. Finally, AI changes where we spend our effort. Instead of gathering information, we now spend more time verifying, editing, and integrating AI outputs. That's where critical thinking and stewardship come in. Exercise. Choose a topic you'll teach soon. Ask AI to generate a lesson outline, then highlight what you'd keep, what you'd change, and what concerns you noticed. Here is a practice prompt to try. Generate 3 lesson outline options for teaching your topic. Include activities that promote critical thinking and avoid rote memorization. To get the most out of AI, try this follow-up prompt. Take the lesson plan you find most effective and modify it for a classroom with a diverse range of learning needs, including students who are English language learners, ELLs, and those with learning disabilities. Specify how you would differentiate the activities and assessments. Now that we've outlined the principles for responsible AI use, let's move to Module 3, where we'll translate those principles into clear expectations for students. Click the link on this video for Module 3. Until next time, keep learning with purpose.